Hello everybody, this is me, Ajane. I want to create a hello world in C programming language. I want to make directory in my terminal. Here we are in the terminal. This is a terminator. Authorization required, but no authorization is protocol. This unit run terminal in an X environment. Make sure display is properly set. Okay, clear the screen. Now we go to make directory with mkdir c ls. Okay, there is a directory C. We get through it. Clear screen. I want to make what is C program. Oh, hello world. Hello world dot C. I use text editor theme or ntheme. Ntheme is the editor of tomorrow with yesterday. What is yesterday? Oh, I forgot to recall the word. Yesterday experience. Yesterday users experience with yesterday users experience. Yes, the neo-theme is the editors of tomorrow's with the with the what I recall it with the yes with the user with the yesterday users experience. Okay, now we create the hello world with the npm. Okay, oh, this is a blank. If you first time using it like I press I to insert here, insert hello.c. Okay, we create the hello world. Now we initialize the main function. Okay, now printf, I think printf hello world. Okay, I want to tell the inside of the C programming language is build the C programming language is very usable in the Unix operating system, and I don't know how to tell, but the C programming language is I think is you have to understand the C, and if you understand the C language, you understand the Unix or Unix-like language. No, like a Bash or anything. Bash is a born again shell used by Linux operating system as a command or as a shell in the terminal. Okay, now we create the printf hello world. I think we should add the return 0 and put the header on the top, include. First time I was using C is when I was watch my sister writing C program when she was at the university at the time, when I was maybe 11 years old. Okay, we put the standard input output stdio.h. Yes, and GNU stands for GNU is not Unix. When you say what is GNU, GNU is not Unix, and it will loop GNU is not Unix. GNU is not Unix. Okay, we write and we quit, and let's compile our code. Hello world.c output hello world, camel case, I think. Okay, it works, and we run it. Hello world. Yeah, we forget to add the /n. We go to the code again with the neofilm editor of tomorrow with yesterday experience. Ha 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 ha. Hello world code. Okay, we add the, I think we press the I button and reverse slash and end. Okay, we write the code and quit. Let's compile it again. Now we should we remove the hello world binary? Okay, with file command hello world. What is hello world? ELF 64-bit. Okay, with the SHA1 we can check the sum with this H1 sum hello world. It should here it should be the same as the output in here. And the result, no, it's different. I don't know. I don't see it. Okay. Not stripped. And in the next video, I will improve my communication with you, and okay, I'm a little bit nervous to make this content because I use English as a second language, but it's not bad. Okay, return to the code again with the new theme editors for tomorrow's with yesterday experience. Editors of tomorrow's with yesterday experience. Okay. The code is we add this what thing it should be called. I don't know what word to throw. Okay, at least we write the code hello world and we compile it again. Hello world. Should we remove the hello world elf binary? Yes, we remove the hello world binary and compile the code again. Hello world -c, hello world. Now why? Cannot find hello world. No such file. Directory? No. Okay, we forget to I forget to add the output. Yes. And then we run the binary hello world. Okay. Now we write the code with the theme, the editor of yesterday with the tomorrow experience. I think hello world.c. And we should no. We make the new code goodbye.c. Okay, we create the main function and print f goodbye. I have to eat a meal. After that, after that, I used to sleep or watching movies or series. And don't forget to add the reverse slash and quote colon, return 0 with no errors, and put the header on the top. Standard input output. Okay, right and quit. Let's compile with the GNU C compiler, GCC, and goodbye. With the camel case characters. Goodbye. Okay. Run the okay. There is 2 binary in here and 2 code, and we run goodbye. Goodbye. I have to eat a meal. After that, I used to sleep or watching movie or series. Okay, we run the code again. And with the bash, I echo thank you for watching my video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my video. Okay. And that's it. I hope you're doing well. And thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.